Welcome to Zacatecas, Mexico, a landlocked state often overlooked yet brimming with natural wonders. Join us as we venture beyond the familiar to uncover the hidden gems of this diverse and beautiful region. From towering rock formations to lush forests and cascading waterfalls, Zacatecas offers a feast for the eyes and a sanctuary for a wealth of life. Get ready to be captivated by the raw beauty and the untamed spirit of Zacatecas. Here in the Sierra de Órganos National Park, nature has become an artist. Towering above the desert floor, these extraordinary rock formations, sculpted over millennia by wind and rain, resemble the pipes of a giant organ, hence the name. These ancient monoliths, some reaching heights of over 100 feet, cast long shadows across the arid landscape, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. But look closer, and you'll find life clinging to existence in this harsh environment. Cacti, masters of survival, stand defiant against the scorching sun, their prickly armor a testament to their resilience. Lizards, perfectly camouflaged against the rocks, bask in the heat, while high above, birds of prey circle, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for a meal. The Sierra de Órganos, a testament to the enduring power of nature, a place where silence reigns supreme, broken only by the whisper of the wind. We ascend now to Cerro de la Bufa, a sentinel overlooking the city of Zacatecas. This iconic mountain, standing tall and proud, has been a silent witness to the passage of time, watching over the city and its people for centuries. As we climb, the air grows cooler, a refreshing change from the warmth of the city below. Each step takes us higher, away from the hustle and bustle and closer to the serene embrace of nature. The sounds of the city fade, replaced by the gentle whispers of the wind and the occasional rustle of leaves. It's as if the mountain itself is inviting us to leave our worries behind and immerse ourselves in its tranquility. A sense of tranquility washes over us, a feeling of peace that is hard to find in the busy streets below. The path is peaceful, each turn revealing a new facet of the mountain's beauty. The vegetation changes too, becoming lusher, greener, a welcome respite from the arid plains below. The mountain is alive with vibrant greens, a stark contrast to the dry landscape we left behind. At the summit, the reward is breathtaking. The view stretches out in all directions, a panoramic vista that captures the essence of Zacatecas. The city of Zacatecas, a tapestry of terracotta roofs and cobblestone streets, sprawls out before us, framed by the rugged peaks of the Sierra Madre Occidental. It's a sight that reminds us of the rich history and culture that this city holds. From this vantage point, we can truly appreciate the lay of the land, the intricate patterns of human settlement blending seamlessly with the natural contours of the earth. The way civilization has nestled into the valleys and clung to the hillsides is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people. But it is the natural world that dominates here. The rugged beauty of the Sierra Madre Occidental stands as a reminder of the power and majesty of nature. The air is alive with the scent of pine and wildflowers, a fragrant reminder of the mountain's rich biodiversity. The silence is broken only by the gentle rustling of leaves and the chirping of unseen birds, creating a symphony of natural sounds that soothes the soul. Cerro de la Bufa, a place to catch your breath, to reflect and to marvel at the beauty that surrounds us. Here, atop this majestic peak, we find a moment of peace, a chance to reconnect with nature and ourselves. Our journey takes us now to the State Ecological Park of Zacatecas, a sanctuary for biodiversity, a place where nature reigns supreme. Here, forests of oak and pine cloak the hillsides, their verdant canopy providing shade for a multitude of creatures. Deer, their hooves barely disturbing the undergrowth, move silently through the trees, while squirrels chase each other through the branches above. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a chorus of trills and whistles that fills the forest from dawn till dusk. We follow a winding trail that leads us deeper into the park, past hidden meadows carpeted in wildflowers, and alongside streams where dragonflies dance in the dappled sunlight. This is a place of peace and tranquility, a reminder of the importance of preserving these precious ecosystems for generations to come. Chapter 4, La Quemada, where history meets nature. The ancient ruins of La Quemada rise from the rugged landscape like ghosts of a forgotten past. This once thriving city, now shrouded in mystery, speaks to a time long ago when these hills echoed with the sounds of a different civilization. But nature has reclaimed this place, weaving its way through the crumbling walls, draping the stones with moss and lichen. Cacti stand guard on ancient terraces, their spiky forms silhouetted against the vast sky. The wind whispers through the empty chambers, carrying with it the scent of sage and the faint echoes of a distant past. La Quemada, a place where history and nature intertwine, offering a glimpse into the enduring power of both. Chapter 5. Sierra de Zacatecas, the backbone of a state. The Sierra de Zacatecas, a formidable mountain range, stretches across the horizon, its peaks piercing the clouds. These mountains, forged by volcanic fire and sculpted by the relentless forces of erosion, are home to a remarkable diversity of life. As we ascend into the higher elevations, the air grows cooler, the vegetation changes. Gone are the cacti and scrubland of the lower slopes, replaced by forests of pine and oak, their branches heavy with cones and acorns. This is the realm of the mountain lion, its tawny coat blending seamlessly with the shadows, and the black bear lumbering through the undergrowth in search of berries and grubs. High above, the golden eagles soar on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the vast expanse below. The Sierra de Zacatecas, a place of wild beauty, a testament to the enduring power of nature. Chapter 6. Zacatecas, where water brings life. Water, the lifeblood of this arid land, carves its way through the rugged landscape of Zacatecas, creating oases of life and beauty. At El Salto de los Magueyes, a waterfall plunges over a sheer cliff face, its waters crashing into the pool below with a thunderous roar. The air is thick with spray and rainbows dance in the mist. Along the banks of the rivers that crisscross the state, willows and cottonwoods dip their branches in the flowing water, providing shade for fish and frogs. These riparian corridors are vital lifelines for countless creatures, offering food, water, and shelter from the harsh conditions of the surrounding desert. The sound of rushing water, a constant reminder of the preciousness of this resource, a symphony of nature that fills the air with life. Chapter 7. A tapestry of life, flora and fauna of Zacatecas. Zacatecas, a land of contrasts, supports a remarkable array of plant and animal life, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. From the towering mountains to the expansive deserts, the region is a living mosaic of biodiversity. In the higher elevations, where the air is cool and moist, forests of pine and oak dominate the landscape. Their branches are often draped with mosses and lichens, creating a mystical, almost otherworldly atmosphere. These forests are home to a variety of wildlife. Here you might catch a glimpse of a bobcat, its piercing gaze scanning the forest floor for prey. The bobcat, a master of stealth, moves silently through the underbrush. In addition to the bobcat, the higher elevations are also inhabited by troops of spider monkeys. Their long limbs carry them effortlessly through the canopy, swinging from branch to branch with incredible agility. Descend into the lower elevations and the landscape transforms dramatically. The cool, moist air of the mountains gives way to the arid heat of the desert. Here, cacti, their spiky forms silhouetted against the setting sun, rule this arid realm. These hardy plants have adapted to survive in the harshest of conditions, storing water in their thick, fleshy stems. The desert is also home to a variety of reptiles. Lizards, their scales shimmering in the heat, dart between rocks, seeking both food and shade. Their quick movements are a testament to their adaptability and survival skills. Among the most fascinating desert dwellers are the roadrunners. These birds, with their long legs and distinctive crests, streak across the desert floor at astonishing speeds, hunting insects and small animals. From the soaring peaks to the desert plains, Zacatecas teems with life. Each species, whether plant or animal, is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. This region, with its diverse ecosystems, is a vibrant tapestry of life, showcasing the incredible biodiversity that thrives here. The flora and fauna of Zacatecas are not just survivors. They are thrivers, each playing a crucial role in the delicate balance of their ecosystems. This intricate web of life is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. As the sun sets over Zacatecas, casting long shadows across the landscape, one can't help but marvel at the richness of life that calls this place home. From the smallest insect to the largest predator, each creature is a vital part of this extraordinary environment. The journey through Zacatecas is a journey through a living, breathing tapestry of life, where every thread is essential and every moment is a testament to the wonders of nature. So whether you're exploring the misty mountain forests or the sun-baked desert plains, Zacatecas offers a glimpse into the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth, their long legs carrying them at astonishing speed. From the soaring peaks to the desert plains, Zacatecas teems with life, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. Chapter 8. Canon de Juchipila, a hidden gem revealed. Our journey culminates in the Canon de Juchipila, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Zacatecas. This canyon, often overlooked by travelers, offers a breathtaking glimpse into the natural beauty and geological history of Mexico. Here, the earth has been torn asunder, revealing layers of rock that tell the story of this land's ancient past. Each stratum, a chapter in the geological history, speaks of a time long before human footprints marked this terrain. Towering cliffs, their faces etched with the passage of time, rise up from the canyon floor, casting long shadows across the narrow valley. These majestic walls, sculpted by millennia of natural forces, stand as silent sentinels to the ages. A ribbon of emerald green, the Uchipila River, snakes its way through the canyon, its waters reflecting the colors of the sky. This river, a lifeline for the flora and fauna of the region, adds a touch of serenity to the rugged landscape. This is a place of solitude and tranquility, where the only sounds are the whisper of the wind and the calls of birds echoing off the canyon walls. The canyon provides a sanctuary for wildlife, a haven where nature thrives undisturbed. As the sun begins its descent, the canyon walls glow with an ethereal light, painting the rocks in hues of gold and crimson. The play of light and shadow at this hour transforms the canyon into a living canvas, a masterpiece of natural art. The Canon de Juchipila, a fitting end to our exploration of Zacatecas, a reminder of the hidden wonders that await those who venture off the beaten path. This canyon, with its timeless beauty and serene ambience, invites us to pause, reflect, and appreciate the splendor of the natural world. Outro: until next time, Zacatecas awaits. As our journey through the natural wonders of Zacatecas comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this often overlooked region of Mexico. From the towering rock formations of Sierra de Organos to the hidden depths of Canon de Juchipila, Zacatecas has revealed its wild beauty, its rich biodiversity, and its enduring spirit. We hope this glimpse into the heart of Mexico has inspired you to seek out new adventures and to discover the natural wonders that lie hidden in every corner of our planet.